Hello guys and welcome to HMD Production. This is Bakar Hamoud and today I'm gonna introduce to you a new program from the series Adobe Tutorials. Now we don't have a lot of programs on Adobe. I'm very excited to show you that there is a new program. I'm gonna post like each week. I know I've been gone for so long, but I really had some problem. I was busy and now I'm back. So I'm gonna try to upload frequently so all of you can enjoy my tutorials and learn hopefully a lot more about designing and stuff like that on your computer. Now we start by creating a new document. This document right here, it's open in front of you. Now you can start with the document presets. You can choose like the size that you want. You can go for web size, you can go for mobile, whenever suits, or you can go for from here you can change whatever you want. I'm just gonna go to the print aspect because most of the designers use this kind of setup, and I'm gonna just keep most of the settings on, and I'm just gonna keep it profile like this, facing page, primary text frame. We don't have to use this, and I'm gonna click create. And now I'm just gonna close this one. Okay, now we have in front of us, this is the H toolbar. We have the layer set up just like Photoshop. It has a lot of, we have the color range here. It's very easy. You can see everything is laid out in front of you, and anything you want you can just click on it and see what it does. That's how pretty much I learned myself. Nobody taught me most of these programs. And that what makes Adobe company very competitive, and because it's very easy to work with, unlike other programs which needs a lot of attention. It's very complicated. But we're just gonna start right here. We're just gonna go for the text first, and we see right here the box that create the text. Now you can zoom in just like in Photoshop, or yeah, you can scroll up. Okay, I forgot. Okay, now I'm gonna see what kind of, just gonna change, and I'm gonna write a few text for you only then. Just write something. I'm just gonna go right here and see how I can change this text aspect. See, you can edit the text right here. You can change the color. I want to change the gradient. I want the background, and I want to see the gradient. Cannot seem to find it. Okay, so this is like a design. So this is if you want to mix thing. We're just gonna go here, click outside. Just gonna try this one. Click the pen right over here. So I close this one. So you can change by this, just like in Illustrator. Same concept, you can change, I don't know what is this shape, but yeah, I'm just gonna use this one. I'm trying to, I don't know why I'm gonna use that, but I'm just gonna click and see what kind of formats I'm working with. I'm just playing around. I really don't have any idea what I'm doing, but that's part of it. I can also, but I'm gonna show you some of the tricks that I've learned since I learned recently about it. So if you go to here, stroke, and I wanna have it so you can change the stroke right here, dotted. Now I'm gonna make it 20 right there. Oh my god, this is too big. um, 10. Okay. I'm gonna change the size 10. 10. Okay, send, what is it? I think this is a lot easier because this is really confusing. Okay, so just gonna change the type right here. Sound very great. Change the color brown. I don't know. Just gonna go. There's a lot of colors in here. Okay, so I'm gonna just put the blocks in. I don't exactly what this does. Thing it's for writing, and it is. So I'm gonna just write local. Just try to choose this one. For the people who are, whom are concerned for our, okay, so I wrote a text. I don't know what did I write. I just doesn't matter, just for demonstration only. I wanna make it bigger, so I wanna and okay. So as the first start, it's not bad. There's some few other I want to try out first. What is this thing? I don't know. It's very bizarre. Okay, what about this one? Let's just do. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. I need how I move this all. Oh, this is okay. I understand. Whew. Okay, I just want to try this. It's like Illustrator. Okay, you can use this very free line, just like Illustrator, and this is okay, good. So you can make like different triangular shapes and stuff like that. It's very easy, but next time I'm gonna show you a lot more detailed, you know, um, stuff because this one wasn't so professional, and maybe I need to study more. So maybe we're gonna learn together how we're gonna create a type of page that is somehow nice, and how we're gonna import our file, and let's hope to see how this is gonna work out. I'm very glad that I found this program. It's very helpful. Please, if you like the video, if you enjoyed it, hit the like button, subscribe, and see you on the next one.